Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all to Sri Jayendra Rank Zone classes. I am your mentor and your friend for the subject chemistry, and I will be dealing with organic chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to start with alkynes. As you all know, that we have completed alkenes. Today I am going to start with alkynes. So first, I will be discussing the general properties and the nomenclature of alkynes. Alkynes belong to the category of unsaturated hydrocarbons. The general formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. They contain 1 sigma and 1 pi bond and 2 pi bonds, as carbon is basically attached to triple bond. The triple bonded carbon shows sp hybridization with bond angle of 180 degrees. The molecular geometry is linear. As we all know that sp hybridized carbon shows maximum electronegativity in comparison to sp2 and sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, although carbon is least electronegative, but the fact is carbon and hydrogen, they are least electronegative. But the fact is sp hybridized carbon is, in comparison to sp2 and sp3, it is more electronegative. Okay, the percentage S character in sp hybridized carbon is 50%, and that is why they have higher electronegativity. The carbon-carbon triple bond length is 1.20 angstrom, and the carbon-hydrogen bond length is 1.08 angstrom. Alkynes, they are also commonly known as acetylenes. Okay. Acetylene is the simplest alkene, simplest alkyne, sorry. Okay. The triple bonded carbon, this bond shows significant dipole moment, and this is alpha acidic hydrogen. Okay, understood? Now, alkynes are colorless. When we talk about the physical properties, yeah. So, starting with the physical properties of alkynes. Alkynes, they are colorless, odorless, and tasteless compounds. Lower alkynes are partially soluble in water, are partially soluble in water. Lower alkynes are partially soluble in water due to more percentage of covalent character. Water. It is due to polarizability, sorry. Lower alkynes are partially soluble in water. It is due to polarizability. So the lower alkynes are partially soluble in water. It is due to polarizability. It is due to its polarizability. Higher alkynes are insoluble in water. Are insoluble in water due to more percentage of covalent character. Percentage of covalent character. Okay. Alkynes are completely soluble in organic solvents. Soluble in organic solvents. When we talk about the melting point and boiling point, so as we know, melting point and boiling point increases on increasing molecular mass. So on increasing the number of carbon attached to the carbon chain, okay, we can increase the molecular mass of the whole compound, and that is why the melting point and the boiling point increases. Okay. Melting point and boiling point decreases with increase in number of branches. Increase in the branch. Okay. Alkynes up to 4 carbon atoms are in gaseous state. From C5 to C11 are in liquid state. And C12 and above are solids. Pure acetylene is odorless, and impure acetylene has odor. Like garlic. It is due to impurities of arsine. Of arsine, the hydride of arsenic, and phosphine. As you have already know, the hydrides of group 15, they are known as what? Pnictogens, because of their suffocating smell. Okay. Because of the impurities of arsine and phosphine, they have a garlic-like odor. Acetylene, or we can say the terminal alkynes, are acidic in nature. The reason is the sp hybridization, the percentage as character, which is 50%, makes the carbon more electronegative. Acetylene is considered as a dibasic acid as it is having two acidic hydrogen. But for neutralizing acetylene or terminal alkynes, the base should be very strong. Okay. These are the general properties. Okay. And some physical properties of alkynes. Next is the boiling point of acetylene is minus 84 degrees Celsius. Okay. Is lighter than air and somewhat poisonous in nature. Acetylene burns with luminous flame and forms explosive mixture with air. Okay. It is transported under high pressure in acetone soaked on porous material packed in steel cylinders. Okay. Uses: acetylene is used as an illuminant. It is used for the production of oxyacetylene torch. The temperature of the flame in oxyacetylene flame is above 3000 degrees Celsius, which is employed for cutting and welding of metals. Cutting and welding of metals. Okay. It is used for the artificial ripening of fruits. It is used as a general anesthetic under the name narcillin. Used to make different polymers. Used to produce dihydrogen gas in airships. These are the different uses of the most common alkyne, that is acetylene. Okay. So my dear students, this is all about the alkynes. Okay. I will be starting with benzene and aromatic hydrocarbons in the next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.